Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Growth of agriculture. Growth in plan period. First plan 1951-56, faced with food crisis and shortage of industrial materials such as raw jute and raw cotton. 35% of the total plan outlay was devoted to agriculture. First plan was successful. It saw production of 67 million tons as against a target of 62 million. The second plan 56 to 61. The emphasis shifted to industry. Outlay on agriculture was reduced to 20% from 31%. First plan agricultural production target was 81 million and actual production was 80 million tons. Third plan 61 to 66. Greater allocation was provided for agriculture. Intensive Agricultural District Program IADP and Intensive Agricultural Areas Program IAAP were launched. In 66-67, High Yielding Varieties Program HYVP and Multiple Cropping Program were adopted, but whole planning process received a severe jolt. Fourth plan 69 to 74. The third plan was a failure in respect of agriculture. Fourth plan assigned high priority to agriculture through scientific and modern techniques, but poor monsoon in 72-73 led the crop failure and created price inflation. Third plan 74-79. The growth target in the agricultural and allied sectors were fixed at 3.94%. Outlay on agriculture was 21% of total plan outlay. Sixth plan 80-85. The sixth plan was successful and is known as second phase of Green Revolution. While the first phase of Green Revolution developed Punjab, Haryana and Western UP, the second phase saw growth in states like West Bengal, Bihar, Odisha, MP and Eastern UP. Seventh plan 85-90. The seventh plan aimed at 4% growth rate of agriculture output. Eighth plan 92-97. The eighth plan proposed outlay of 22,467 crore as against actual expenditure of 12,792 crores in seventh plan. It aimed at 4% annual growth and 3.9% annual growth in agriculture was realized. Ninth plan 97-2002. The agricultural sector performed badly during ninth plan. There were negative growth rates of 6.1%, 0.7% and 3.5% during 97, 98, 99, 2000 and 2001. During 1980-98 and 99 and 2001 to positive growth rates of 7.7% and 6.5% respectively was achieved. 10th plan 2002-7. The 10th plan targeted growth rate in excess of 4% per annum in agricultural sector, but achieved only 2% growth rate. Special focus was given to commercial crops like sugar, oilseeds and food grains like superior cereals, rice, wheat, so that qualitative changes take place. The 11th plan 7-12. The plan targets growth rate of 4% in agriculture, but from less than 2% achieved in 10th plan. The second Green Revolution aims to raise the growth rate of agriculture to GDP to 4%. Green Revolution. The term Green Revolution used for the significant breakthrough in the production of food grains through use of high-yielding variety seeds and improved cultivation process. Green Revolution began in 1966. Elements of Green Revolution: use of modern equipment and machinery. For bringing Green Revolution, tractors, harvesters, pumps, etc. are being used in place of human and animal power. Chemical fertilizer. Use of chemical fertilizers for enhancement of production has boosted Green Revolution. Use of wonder seeds. Green Revolution is brought by using high-yielding seeds such as PV18, Kalyan Sona 227 for wheat, Jaya, Vijaya, Ratna, IR8, etc. for rice. Super irrigation facility. Efficient irrigation system for supply of adequate water for crops. The crops helped Green Revolution. Arrangement for improved credit facility. Agricultural credit at cheap rate to the farmer is another factor for bringing Green Revolution. Main target of Green Revolution was to bring about significant increase in food grain production. Yellow Revolution. Green Revolution proved many landmarks in the production of food grains. Yellow Revolution aimed for attaining self-dependence in the production of oilseeds. Its mission was agricultural research and development, optimum utilization of production, processing and modern technology in oilseeds crops. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.